Okay. Well, let the games begin. Okay. Everything's set. And, everything looks good. Maybe I will do this as well. Okay. The price is breaking out already. The price is breaking out to about 25.20 already. Jeez. Okay. Oh, Jesus. All right, guys. All right, everybody. Winning streak starts now. For those of you who are here with me, give me a shout. See how everybody is doing. And right now, like I said, I'm not expecting to get any traction yet, but here's how we're gonna begin. Like this is basically how we always begin. At the start of everything, it's always gonna be a slow start, but for those of you who come in and watch this at a later date, maybe in 2025, you're gonna see that here's what it is on track: the winning streak. This is day 3. We are playing on the New York session, September 12th. And September 12th, 2024. And we don't know what order what is it going to be oil? Is it going to be gold? I don't know. We know that in order to have 200 points of stop loss, we will have 0.15 of risk. And that's what we are counting on. So 0.15 risk. We don't know what the result is going to be. And, well, that's what we're going to be finding out. The technique that I personally like is the retest buy, retest sell, especially on a day like today where it is a news day. Like that's going to be news. So when there's going to be news coming out, we're going to wait another 23 minutes for the news to come out. The price will jump either up or down really fast, and then it will kind of cool off, and that's when we will enter in the direction that it is breaking out. So that is generally the plan. Now, for those of you who are here and don't know what's going on, especially in TikTok, well, you can join me. Search the hashtag BroWinTrader in the Red app. Okay, and I'll be here. So for those of you who want to see the charts, well, you can search me on Google as well. Okay, right now we are at 25.20, which is not gonna be up or down. Right now, it's not gonna be up or down. It's just gonna be sideways, right at 25.20. 22 minutes before the breakout. I assuming that it will have a little bit of cool off first before it going to make another jump up above that 25.20, and then it going to kind of sideways, zigzag sideways, slowly grinding up to like 25.25. I think that is pretty much what will happen, but we'll see. We will see if that is the case. I think this is gonna be pretty much what happened here. Start out drop. Wanna break. Boom, boom. And end right here before the news comes. Which, if you want to play before the news, by all means, like, be my guest. But I am waiting for a much more clearer, because like I only got to play once a day. I want to be able to put in an order, have only about 200 points of stop loss, and had a pretty much high win rate. So I am not going to just say, oh, I'm going to buy here, or I'm going to sell here. Well, sometimes if you either buy or sell, let's say you buy right here. Well, you're going to get that 25.20. However, what happened if it dropped to 25.19 or 25.18? Do you think it will be able to go up? Well, if you think that even if after it dropped to 25.18 and it still can go up, well, then you want to maybe play a buy right here at 25.18 rather than place it at 25.20. Okay, sure. There's some people that said like, I'd rather get in and not having, missing out on a trade because I know it's gonna go up. That's your choice. I personally want for you to at least know that if it goes wrong, how much are you going to lose. And that's pretty much the name of the game. The name of the game is not how much money you can make. The name of the game is how little you can risk versus your rewards. Basically, the name of the game is reducing risk. Trust me, the rewards will come. Your game is to control risk long enough for you to see the profit. That's it. Swipe right to move. What is it? Mm, I'm not too sure what that is, but okay. Well, I don't know why, but they said to swipe right for some reason. All right. So let's get going. And again, we always going to go back and check what is the limit for today. Today we are going to go at 0.15 lot size. All right, so that's going to be our plan right now. We're going to play at 0.15 lot size. I'm going to remember to record my play before I enter the trade today. Because last yesterday was a doozy. Yesterday was like, oh no, I already recorded it, and I already pressed in the order and I forgot to record it, and damn. just a little too rushed there. Anyway, today I am going to remember to record it first before I enter the order. And right now we are just waiting. We're just waiting because we don't know what's gonna happen. I had a suspicion that it will do this, but you know what? Because it is the market that it is, we never know what's really going to happen. We only can put the best guess on, and that's about it. So, for those of you who just came in, I want to know: are you having a buy position on gold, or are you have a sell position on gold? Comment down below. I just want to see, like, where are you at right now? Where are you stuck on? And maybe during my wait time, I am going to. Oh wow, that's a drop. Trust me, that drop gonna go up really fast. Trust me, it always does. มีคนเข้ามาจอยนะฮะเยอะแยะเลยแต่ว่าไม่รู้ว่าพูดภาษาไทยได้ไหมโอเค I'm live here at the Red app, so if you want to come in and join, then you're welcome to. Oh. All right. I'm waiting. We're waiting for another 13 minutes here. So come on in. Stick around. Alrighty. I'm waiting right now. All right. So, like I said, look at this. Exactly how I drew it. Drop, going up. This is the going up part right here. Little bit of a one more drop right here. And the next time it come up to punch this position right here, it is going to blow everything apart. So, boom, right there. That is exactly how I see it right now. Exactly how I see it. Now, do I want to put my money on it? No, I just saw this many times. Doesn't mean I will willing to put my money on it. I could always be wrong. I just saw this play out so many times that I can make this prediction. You see that? Drop, retest, one more drop right here before the breakout. And once the breakout happens, you know what? You know what's gonna happen? You're going to go back, come back, retest one more time, and gonna start slowly grinding up to that 25.25. That's how I see it. So let's see. Let me see it. Or it could just go all the way up to 25.25. That will be blowing everything out. That little wick right there, that might be the retest. That's insane. If that little wick right there, that's a retest, geez. I am pretty sure that today it's gonna blow sky high for the news, PPI news. The PPI news is gonna come out in about 9 minutes here, and let me just analyze it a little bit. The core PPI expected to be 0 0.2, and it looks like it might be a little bit over. I mean, you never know. 0.1, 0.2, there's really no telling right now. For the PPI month to month, unemployment claim, expect to be the same. I think it could be the same. Um, that's it. Just the PPI and the unemployment claim. That's the only two that will change the graph right now. And for both of them, doesn't look like there will be much changes. So I'm still thinking it's gonna be sideways until next Thursday. You know what happened? What's gonna happen on next Thursday? Next Thursday there will be next Thursday there will be the rate cuts, and that's gonna change. Like it's gonna have a huge impact on everything, even stocks, even crypto, everything. So if you guys are not caught up to date, right now it is the time to plan. Right now it is the time to plan because um, there's going to be a huge wave coming in, and you definitely, if you're not an experienced trader, you definitely don't want to be caught up in the storm. So if you have a position stuck, you want to close it out. If you don't know what's gonna happen, you might want to wait until the storm is over before you actually start to uh, come back and play it again. For those of you who are riding the wave with me, well, this is our fun time. The price movement is gonna be crazy. So, anyway, welcome to the Pro Trader channel, and today is day number 3. We are on profit right now for about $30, but I'm thinking that we could do more. So let's see how it goes. Like I said, I don't know what's gonna happen, if it's gonna profit or losses today, but I would take my best guesses on a 200 points stop loss and see if I can actually gain 300 points. Now, that's people ask me, if I know this, why don't I just buy it right here, 2020? Well, if I only knew the future, I would have buy right here, and we can be finishing it in 2 minutes. However, I don't know, and it could stuck right here for another 10-15 minutes before the news comes, and at that time I'm playing basically before the news. I gotta have to leave it to chance. I cannot make any stop losses because it definitely gonna pull through below the stop loss. Like it just gonna jump over. So I don't want to have any position open before the stop loss because we are scalping. We are going to have a tight stop loss, and we going to expect at least a 300 point of profit. So right now we're waiting. Looks really good for the upside. Everything is uptrend. It is basically all you can do is wait for the pullbacks and buy. That's all I'm waiting for. I'm not going to buy before the news comes out, but if you are a little bit of daredevil, I would suggest that this oil is a good play because it already went up the whole day from like 60 yesterday at 66, move up 1,000 point, and today, this morning, it already is climbing up from, let's see here, basically 67.23 up to 68. So that's like at least a buck and a half almost already. So a buck and a half of movement already, basically 1,500 points. I stand to think that it can go up a little bit more. I don't think it's gonna rest, especially if it rests right now. Can't even go below the 68 before the news. I think that if you want to make a bet, you might want to buy the crude oil and let it ride because the price is way too low. It's already spiked up since yesterday, already leaving a bottoming tail, and today definitely gonna be going up. So let's look at the gold right now. Right now, it's just dancing at around 25.20, and there's 25.20 right now. Let me see here. Yep, just right at the point of breaking out. So if it broke out already at 25.20, I tend to think that it's gonna go up even more. But it's pretty much a 50-50 chance, so I am going to wait for the price to choose which way it will go, and I'll play on a retest. Now, here's the thing. Yesterday, we are predicted that it's going to go up. Well, when the results came in, the price dropped, and I'm just going to play as follows. So I sell it into the strength, and I made profit. And that's what I want you to do, is you don't want to try to guess and be correct. The graph can do anything. You want to let it, you want to let it chooses the direction and then you follow. It'll be much easier. It'll make your life a lot more easy when you do this, when you do it this way. So you don't have to be like, oh, am I gonna get it or not? I know how it looks like. If you buy it or you sell it and you guess right, well, you get a lot of money. If you guess wrong, well, you lose a lot of money too. But when you gain a lot of money, you feel, oh, you're on top of the world kind of thing. And I don't want that. That's more almost like gambling habits. So we want to be sure. We want to be confident on the trade. We are here to make money professionally and not to just gamble our life saving away. So that's why we are going to wait and expect the price movement to happen. Then we can follow. Now, just remember, a good trade begins with the peace of mind. That's all you gotta know. A good trade begins with a peace of mind. So, whatever happens, just let it go. Just let it be. Oh, I love that song. Let it be, let it be. Oh, I don't know how that song goes now. Haven't heard it for so long. Sweet, what is it? Whisper word of wisdom, let it be, bum bum bum, let it be, let it be, let it be, yeah, let it be. Whisper word of wisdom, let it be, bum bum bum. And this is it, 7:30. Which way it will go? Nobody knows. It's not going anywhere. Okay, that's surprising. PPI numbers. Let me just take a quick look here. If it all as expected, I'm pretty sure the graph is not moving today. Even if it does, I think it will move down more than anything. Basically be on a sideways trend again. But right now, it doesn't do anything. Yeah, it literally doesn't do anything. But it's good. Not just good, really good. And the price is not coming down. Yeah, the numbers amazing. Green across the board. And the price has not been coming down. Hmm. Okay, this is interesting. If we play it off fundamental, the price should come down because the strength of the dollar should be shown by the positive number. However, right now the price seems to be wanting to go up. So that's why I'm saying, like, don't be too focused on the fundamental and try to predict what it will be like. The graph will just gonna the graph will do what it does. Like, and we can never know. We can never know what's going to happen. All we can do is just to, you know, give it the best guess, having the best stop loss, and see how it goes. Right now, oh, I have a feeling that it's not going to be moving at all. This is at 7:30. 3 minutes. This is the third minute now. This is 3 minutes after the news. That is positive. So it should come down. But there's no movement. There's no volume. There's nothing. Right now there's nothing. Literally. For me to work on. So I have to go back and see what else I can do, because if this is the case, I gotta have to go back and look at daily time frame now. Daily time frame. I just gotta erase this. Daily time frame is on the verge of breaking out at 25.20. And I thought that today the news, especially the unemployment claim, gonna be the trigger that it's gonna break out. Especially if it can break 25.30, I am definitely gonna be follow by right now. But in this case, that it cannot go in past 25.20, I am I am more biased that it is going to come down because there's no strength to go up. And maybe that because the news is not as expected. The graph the graph setting up for a bull flag breakout, but the news is actually on the selling side. Like, the news is positive, so the gold should be going down. Well, it's not. And if it's not going down like this, then it stands to reason that it's not gonna go up. Uh, you know what I want to do really bad right now? Sell at 25.25. I want to sell at 25.25 really bad right now. I don't have any logic into it. I'm just going with gut feeling right now, and we don't want to play with gut feeling. We want to have a clear stop loss and clear target profits. And right now, I don't have any. I don't have anything in terms of clear target profits. I only know that there's gonna be a lot of resistance here at 25.30, and if it just kind of slowly grinding to close to 25.30 and spike up like this and spike down right away, then I can do a follow sell. All right, let's see. 25.25 is it gonna go up? Yes, no, maybe. I have a feeling that today is not going to be moving very much, so I think it's going to be a sideways day. And for a sideways day, I want to use my Go Hunter indicator to predict what will happen. So look at 1 hour time frame. Yeah, pretty much on the 30. I'm pretty sure once it actually reached that 25.30, then we're gonna see it even more drop. Hi everybody that is coming into my live trade right now. If you cannot see the graphic, you want to see it, just enter on the red app. On the little, little symbol, little play symbol. All right, it is going beyond 25.25 right now, and yeah, now I'm regretting not buying at 25.20. Like here's the thing. I expect to go up to 25.25 before the news, not grinding to 25.25 after the news. That's not totally what I'm looking for. So if it were to become like this, let's see how it go. Like let's see how it did at 25.30. If the reaction is not, you know, overly excited that it want to break through, then I am going to be selling it down. Especially if it's sideways, then spike up to 25.30 and then spike down. That will be a clear indicator for me to sell it down. But right now, we'll wait. We want to get the best possible price. Anybody have a buy position or sell position right now? I'm more biased towards a sell position right now. Like from the looks of it, I'm biased towards a sell position right now. Like right at this moment. Sell right now, 25.25. Stop loss 200 points. I'm pretty sure it's gonna get takeout really easily, so I don't want to risk it. Like it could just spike, hit stop loss, come down. I don't dare do a pending order on 25.30 either. It's very risky. Yeah, now I think I pretty sure that it's gonna grind up to that 25.30. It's gonna slowly grinding up. There's no, like, if you take a look back here, there's nothing that they have against it. Just around here, 28, 29, somewhere around here, but nothing notable for them to having a, yeah, that's 27. Yeah, I don't have any hard evidence that it is gonna go beyond this. Most likely will come down. Like most likely will come down, but you never know. I mean, it point come knocking on the door once, twice, two, three times, 4, 5, 6, 7, and now it's gonna be the 8th time. So I don't know, 8 times, really? Like that's the eighth time that's been knocking on the door, and it's not breaking out still. Hmm. I mean, that's a little surprising. Let's see here. Right now at 25:30. Yeah, look at that. Knock on the door and come down right away. Mm. You know, I want to sell right now. I do. I do want to sell. But if I do sell, I would have stop loss at 25:30, which is gonna be gutsy move. Really gutsy move. I'm waiting for more confirmation right now. I like here's the thing. I doubt that it's gonna go past 25:30, but I never know what's going to happen. So we're waiting together right now. Let me just take a look at what my colleague is saying. Because to be honest with you, I am drawing a blank at the moment. Like I'm literally drawing a blank right now. Ugh. Right now, I'm waiting for the confirmation to come down below 25:27. Jesus. Yeah. No, nobody knows what like what's gonna play either. Oh, 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 right there. That's the breakout. 25:30. That's the breakout. Okay, that's the breakout. That's the breakout. That's the breakout. That's the breakout. Okay, now it chooses that it wants to go up. So we are going to wait for the pullbacks right here. Wait for the pullbacks before we are buying it. There we go. I'm just gonna drawing this out there. That it should come down, and then we're gonna be placing a buy right here. That's the breakout. Yeah, I know. I saw the C long right here. I just didn't think that it will just gonna jump right there. I like at this point right here, I was thinking that it's gonna come down. Here's the thing. I have a feeling that volume is not here. But right now, this thing is pretty much confirmed everything already that it wants to go up, especially leaving the bottoming tail right there, and it is likely to go up right now. It is likely to go up right now. So I'll wait for the pullbacks, especially if it go up really fast, like up and up and up. Then that's good. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. So Joy of Pro in. How you doing? So we're waiting right now for the pullback to happen because this right here already show us that it is staying above the eternal line. It is breaking out, especially breaking over 2530, that it is pretty much a week long resistance. So I'm waiting for the potential upward move even more and pulling back down to the eternal line, having a long signal, and then we will be able to get a really good entry on it. So let's see, let's see how that goes. Uh, my friend already is buying already. He plays a buy stop right here. I don't really dare to play a buy stop though, but he did play a buy stop right here already, and it already is going up and did come back to hit his stop loss as well. So buying on a retest, buying on a breakout, pretty daring, pretty risky, but the rewarding is like here's the thing. Here his play. He put in 2530, but stop loss is like around 2524, 600 point of stop loss. But in best case that he play, it would just keep going up and up and up, and he'll be able to get his target profit of like 2,000 point in like 15 minutes. I see a lot of his play look like that. I'm just not as comfortable as he is. Don't play a sell right now either because I don't think it is gonna come down ever again. I don't think it's gonna come down. So we wait for the pullbacks only a little bit here and then buying it up. All right. So now we're waiting. We already confirmed though. Now we did confirm already that it is going up. So we just need the last confirmation, which is the drop to retest on the eternal line. That's it. I'm thinking of like buying on breakout right here. I'm thinking of buying on breakout right here at 25. 25, 25. It's gonna be really risky though, so I don't want to play that. I'll wait. I have a feeling right here it's gonna drop. If it doesn't, then we'll wait. We'll wait until that's a drop. If it still doesn't, then I'll wait for a long signal and I'll follow by. I kind of doubt that it is gonna keep on going up, but you never know. You never know. So I will wait. Jesus. It's gonna break 35. It's gonna break 35. If it's gonna break 35, it's gonna go to 38. I feel like this is dropping. But here's the thing. This is the breakout. Like right here, that's the breakout. If it drops hard, that's not right. That's gonna be a fake breakout. Uh, I don't have any play on. I want to see a pullback right here. If it pullbacks and cannot go above 25.30, I might play a buy right here, 25.30. Maybe. 25.31. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. Ugh. I'm waiting. 25.31 right now. I don't know if I want to get it on the 25.30. Let's wait for the break of 25.30. I think it could go down quite a bit here. All right. 2 more minutes. And then it will be 8 p.m. where I will have the best chance to get in. $25.30. Can't can't stand. Can't stand it. Broke. Coming down now. Okay. It did come down like I expected. A little too strong that I would like. The thing is, are we gonna have a buy with chin right here? This is just to go to show. Say hi, Karjan. I live at the both here in TikTok and the Red app as well. So come on in and join me. There's a long position right now, but there's a long. Oh! That's a drop. That's a drop. That's a 1,000 point drop. Yeah, that's where I don't want to get in because yeah, that's that's a that's a huge drop. That's a huge drop. I think that it is going to be a sideways day. So if it's going to be a sideways day, I don't think that. Let's wait for one more because right now it's only change of character. So let's wait for the next candle to see if it wants to go up. Nope, nope, it's not. Yes, no, maybe. Yeah, it doesn't feel like it. It is in my condition right now to actually buy. Oh boy. Too risky. It's too risky. I have a feeling that 2530 is not gonna break. Oh, that's a huge drop right there. From 34, within 5 minutes, it dropped down to 22. That means that it is a 1200 points drop. A little too huge drop for too huge of a drop for potential move right now. You know what I'm seeing right now? You know what I'm saying? I'm not comfortable with this, but this is what I'm saying. Boom, 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 and right here. Look at that. And if it kind of like going sideways right here at can't break below 2530, I'm selling. If it come up here and can't break above 2530 today, I'm selling right now. I am going to put a sell position, but not anytime soon. 2530. Let's see if it will be sideways here. If it's sideways right here, I am tempted to play a sell right at 2530. Stop loss will be 200 points and that's it. But if it breaks above, even just a little bit above, I'm not playing. No, I'm not playing. I'm not playing. Oh god dang! This is difficult. I don't have any. I don't have anything right now. No plan, no play. Truly, right now, today, I don't have any play on at all. I'm just listening to my friend at the wilderness community, and it is a difficult day today. Maybe a no trade day. No, I'm still thinking that it's gonna come down, but the stop loss, if I play a sell right now, stop loss is gonna be way above that 2536, which I don't know if there's a potential to come down that much. Ah, conundrum. I know. I could have played along right here and be making money already. Yeah, I didn't. I it just look at this drop right here, 1200 points drop. No, I'm not gonna play a buy at that drop. I know its trend is going up, but still, that is too huge of a drop, and I don't dare play against the trend now. Jesus. Yeah, I didn't think it will go up that much either, especially right at 8 p.m. And right now, if we take a look on the 1 hour time frame, it looks like it is about to go up, like about to spiking up right now. So I don't know what to think of it. Like, I'm still thinking that it's gonna be sideways until, you know, next week before the rate cut, but maybe things are already priced in. Just give me something. Just give me something. Give me a reason. Give me a reason to sell. Right now, I don't see any reason to sell. It's more just a buy. It's more just a buy, but I don't have any good buy because of that drop. Like if this right here, this drop right here didn't happen, if it kind of sideways down and like meet each other at like 25, 24, and that's a long position like that, I would definitely be buying it all in and be like, yep, this is it. This is it. And um, it will be a really good play because it's gonna jump up like this. But for right now, I'm not gonna sell because it is going way past not a QM level. I am not going to buy because it is already past the point where it has the best, um, stop loss right here. So all in all, I don't have any. Have to say this. I don't have any plan to play, either buy or sell. I don't want to be sitting here for the next hour or two without any order, but like I hate for that to happen. However, this might be the case where it did not go the way I wanted it to. Just break down and then keep going up right now. Oh man, I bet my friend is cursing himself right now because he got a good position right here, having like a 500 point stop loss, and basically, oh wow, yep. So that's the clear order. That's the breaking. Okay, so that is pretty much the break of structured and Jesus Christ, 40. Oh, so it is breaking out. It's not. It's not gonna. It's not gonna come down. Not today. I doubt that it's gonna come down today. That's 25, 40. It's not gonna come down today. It's just gonna keep going up. So we are gonna wait for the pullbacks. Now we are going to wait for the pullbacks um, before we're buying it this time. Because now there's already like a change of yep, right there, right there. That's the break. Oh, I'm just too afraid now. I don't see any good reason why. The best play would be for me to see, oh, that's a long position. I will play here, making a risk, 200 points of stop loss. Very daring. Like, who would play this? This is insane. Who would play this? The risk reward is great, but who would play it? I wouldn't. I wouldn't dare to play that. Although looking back at it now, I was just like, I do want to play it. It always looks great on a high side, but let's say the drop of this magnitude happened, basically 600 points drop, and continue another 600 points. What would you say? Yeah, it obviously look at this. It's dropping that hard and dropping another 600 point. Can you see that big red candle right there? You have to be blind not to see it, right? Well, that's like you can say that then when you see it. And right here, it's already leaving like a bottoming tail, a huge, five almost 400 points of bottoming tail. Clearly a manipulation. And right now, oh, on our time frame, it looks so good to go up. Looks so good to go up. The point where I would say that it is the best point to go up would be at the pass of this candle right here. And right here, this break right here, that's where a lot of people will be like, nope, that's my stop loss, I'm getting out. And that's where it drive the price up at least 500 points. Yeah, I know I could have do a buy stop, but what if it just trigger and then jump down? I don't have a good stat on this. I only know what happened on like I can tell you what happened in the hindsight. I cannot predict what would happen in the future. And this is the most difficult part. You can always predict, like not predict. You can always know what the reason is on a hindsight, but you never know. Like you can never predict 100% what's gonna happen in the future, and that's what is the most frustrating thing in trading. Like you always know why and what happened, but you can never know what will be coming next. And right here at 25.40, what we would do? We'd break? We would come down? I don't know. People who sell at the resistance at 25.40 would be like, it's gonna come down. It's gonna be a sideways day. It's gonna come down. And people who are playing a buy will be like, it's already breaking out. Can't you see this V-shaped recovery? It is going to go all the way up, and this 25.40 gonna break really easily. Everybody got their reason. Everybody have their reason. The point is, can you stick with the trade setup that you know you're going to make money? That's the most important thing. The most important thing is for you to have a good trade setup. Not the best. I don't want you to find the best. I want you to find a good setup. That's it. That's all you got to do. Find a good setup, and then just try to see if that makes sense to you. Like here, for those of you who playing sell on resistance, well, it doesn't pass 40. So my trade setup said that it will go back to normal, and my normal is like 25.31. You have like 600 point of rewards, 200 point, 300 point of risk. Hey, I'm getting in, and yeah, that would really works. However, that is not my strategy. If that was my strategy, I would have played a sell right here, since at the break of 32. But I am not. I'm waiting for the pullbacks so that I can play a long position at around 25, 26, somewhere around here. I know it's another 1,000 point that needs to come down, and why don't I sell right here? Because I don't know. It could just as well going up. It could just as well going up right now. That's why I'm not playing a sell right now. I hope that it can come down. I don't expect it to come down. That's the difference. The difference here is not that I like I predict that it will come down. It's just that I hope it will come down. and I don't play on hope. I don't bet my money on hope. And that's the most important thing here. You don't want to place your money on hope. You always want to be sure that this will likely to happen. Then you put your money on it. Right there. For those of you who sell at 38, sure, by all means, you could sell at 38. I can already see it's, yeah, the reason is breaking. Yeah, this is obvious. It's breaking. But at that time, do you really know that it's going to come down? Like 38, 35, there we go. Boom, I already got my 300 points. But that's where I'm not sure of. It could just as well go up another bar, maybe come up to like 34, 25, 42, and then break down. You don't know. So I already have like one trade, already got one trade per day, and I want to be sure that I had my risk reward works out. And to do that, I want to have at least make this make my let the shot come down to touch the turtle line, having a long position, having exhausted the buying potential, then I'll buy. And right now it's just leaving a huge topping tail. Oh my god, it's really toying with me. Really toying with me. Let's see if it can come down, touch at least 25.30. Like the most beautiful one would be at 25.26, but let's wait. You know, to be honest, I want to buy it right here so bad. And for those of you who playing, right now I'm looking to buy into the strength. I'm just waiting to see if it can come down to at least 25, 28 first before I put it on position. Come on. 25, 28. Let's go. I want it to come down right here. And I don't even need it to go up that much. I just need it to go up that much. Alright, that's a long signal. I want it to come down first before it go up, but from the looks of it, I might have to take on this position right here. I will at least wait for it to come down to touch 25.30 before I place a buy. I might miss my chance, but I'll wait. I might miss my chance though. For those of you who can risk it, you might want to place a buy right now. But like I said, I only have one shot here at 200 point of stop loss. I need to be sure. Here we go. Here we go. If it's stuck all the way back up, I'm gonna be kicking myself. 25, 30. I don't want to buy right here and having like, ah, but I might have to buy at 32. Yes, maybe. Mm, I'll wait. I'll wait. I'll wait. I feel like it can drop even more, and I don't want to be too rushed into it. Oh, dough. Jesus. Do I have to choose to buy right here? 25.32. Oh, this is gonna be a really quick one too. I can't. I should have buy at 25.32 back then. uh, I just can't make that decision. It doesn't fall hard enough to my. It just doesn't fall hard enough to my position to play. So I'll wait. I'll wait, and I might miss my chance here. I might miss my chances here, and I just have to accept that I might miss my chance. I don't want to miss my chance, but oh Jesus! Ah, maybe I'll play a break of 40, 35 right here. No, 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 no. The best risk reward would be right here at the long position. Right here, 30, 38. All right. You know what? I'll wait. I'll wait. I'll wait. I'll wait. I think it will go up. I think it will go up. It's just trying to find the best position that I can buy with less than the risk that I'm taking right now. Because I know once I buy, I can get 300 point really easily because of the volume right now. But to have 200 point of stop loss as well, I would have to have the momentum going like right now. I just don't see it. I just don't see the volume yet. If you don't want to miss out, buy it. I'm gonna be missing out. Yeah, I know. If I buy 32, I would have made 300 points right there already. That's not the point though. The point is I want it to drop a little bit more to that level before it actually go up. But if it just keep going up like this, it will just gonna keep going up and up and up, and I will be missing out. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna just keep on sliding up right now. Yeah, when it is sideways like this, I was thinking like, yep, I should buy it here. I should buy it here. I should buy it here at 32, and now it's going up 500 points. Next time, I am going to reduce my lot size to 0.10, so I can actually have 300 points of stop loss and 500 points of targets here. Just so grind. Didn't go down the way I expected. Hmm. I feel like I can predict almost anything and I can't get in on any position right now. That's the most frustrating thing because it didn't come down hard enough. It didn't having things that will fit in all my order, and that's the most frustrating thing about it. Oh, I want to at least coming down to this white part right here of the tunnel before I taking any order, so I know that the 200 point stop loss would not ruin me. That it come in down, spike, and then go up. And right now, I just have to live with regret that it is gonna go up without me, even though I predicted that it's gonna go up already. The another choice would be that I will be selling at 25.40. However, that would be a really dangerous play because it's very likely that it's going to be breaking out. Right now, it's looks a really good potential that it can be breaking out at 25.40. Like right here, if it hits again, it's going to break out. And might be a really huge strength as well. So, we'll wait. We wait to see if this is gonna go through the resistance. With the potential right now, it looks like it's gonna go through really easily. It's not gonna sideways, it's just gonna go through, break out right away. It's just gonna boom, pass it. And we will have to wait for another pullbacks. Here's the best case that we will get the order today is that it can't go past this, kind of sideways down, coming down all the way to 25.30 again, and then we will get this chance right here. If this doesn't happen, we will get this chance right here for another buy of another 200 points. For those of you who want to sell right here, by all means, but I wouldn't suggest it because if you sell it at 25.40, that means that not only you predict that it's not going to happen, you will have a good, nice high stop loss at 200 points, but the the win rate is not that good. The win rate, I'm telling you, the win rate is not that good because whenever it hit the resistance, more than half the time it will break. I'm telling you this. More than half the time it will break. But when you get uh, that resistance and you get like the exact like 25.40, you will very likely that have a great risk reward, especially if you know that you can hold at least 1 to 2,000 points. That would be a really good risk reward because you have a really tight stop loss and a huge risk, a huge reward when it finally comes down. And the breakout, same thing. The reverse of the breakout and the breakout is the same thing. Here we go. That's the breaks. That's the breaks. I'm not playing buy for. I'm not following the buy, playing a buy position. Not happening. I'm not doing that. We might be waiting until like just gonna keep on waiting. It's okay. I still have another half hour. If I can find a good entry before today, then I'll wait until the pullbacks here at 25.30 before I apply a buy position again. I'm not in a rush, and I'm not gonna sell it here. I like on every strategy that's up and downs, and I already know up and downs of it. And in my case, that I'm playing on a winning streak, I want to have at least over 50% of win rate, and basically more than just 1 to 1.5 of the risk reward, and that will give me a pretty good chance to finish this challenge. However, if I am just gonna play every single strategy out there, I might not be able to complete this challenge with ease. So I am going to wait for the best setup that I know I am going to make my wins, and then we'll see how it goes. Like today there's a lot of play that I feel like I'm missing out on. One of them is this sell right here, this buy right here, this sell right here, and this buy right here. So I'm missing out on a lot of trades today. But like I said, you thought you predict the future? Huh, you can never predict the future. Future is something that really up to the mass and up to the people who have a lot of wealth playing this game. We are just gonna catch the trend and basically predict the future. All right. So we don't have any position in yet. We will definitely. We definitely will have a position open today. Might not be right now, but we will. There we go. Here we go. I want to play this buy right here at 25.30 so bad. If it comes back at 25.31 again and leaving a bottoming tail like this, I will get in. I definitely will get in. I don't think it will let me though. I think it's just gonna keep on breaking out. I think we will see 25.50 today. Like I'm almost certain right now that we're gonna see 25.50 today. So I might be playing on the breakout buy. If like right here, 25.40. If it breaks, I am gonna buy on breakout. If it breaks, a clean break, and I play at 25.41. No, I shouldn't play on breakout. God dang it. Ah, I want to play on breakout right now so bad because this is basically a buy on breakout play. If I buy on breakout, I would have to put my stop loss at entry right away and also suffer the consequences that I might hit a stop loss today as well. The good play about stop loss is that you have a very high profit potential. Anyway, I am going to be live on the Red app more often now. So because there's a lot of restriction in TikTok. So if those of you who are in TikTok right now, just switch it over to this app because I am going to be here more, and you can actually see how I'm playing as well. Okay. 42 right now. 42 breaking. Stop loss at 41. Stop loss at 40, maybe. It is a breaking. Like right now, it is a breaking out play. Hmm. Oh man. I don't have any order in. I don't have any position in right now, and I know it is breaking out. The next resistance could be 25.50. Congratulations for those of you who buy at like 25.20, because it is breaking out. Once it's breaking above 25.30, it just keep going up and up and up right now. Huge play right here. I don't dare buy it right now, but I know that it's not stopping either. Oh man. Like I don't dare buy it right now, but I don't dare sell it either, and I um the risk reward that I'm looking for, it just I want that to happen. So it doesn't fit into my it doesn't fit to my strategy at all. So I can't do anything. I just have to wait. That's the worst part about having a strategy that you know you want to work on that one single trade. But I want to show you the possibility of it. And today it's just one of those days that you never know what's gonna happen. And if you had the streak of 200 point of stop loss, you want to let let all this opportunity slide, because I want it to come down to touch the turn line first before it going up. And when it doesn't, I miss this long position. I miss this long position. It's just not a fun feeling. here's the thing. Once you have a buy position on, you will you open yourself up to exposure to the risk. And if you didn't calculate that beforehand, it is, oh Jesus Christ. Wow. One shot hits 48. Oh. Yeah, I'm regret not buying at 40 right now. That's a breakout play. That's gonna be resistant at 50. Right now, that's gonna be resistant at 50. But don't sell at 50. I'm waiting. I'm waiting to see if this resistance can have a pullback before it go up. I doubt that would happen though. I'm pretty much blank right now. I don't have anything. Waiting for the pullbacks. Waiting for the pullbacks that might not happen at all. Just the name of the game. You want to play retest buy. Retest risky. Retest soft, but still risky. And right here, it's just no man's land. Like today, right after the number came out and it didn't do anything right here, you should be telling yourself that the number that came out didn't have any effect, and the overall view looks like it is going to break out. And right now it's breaking out above 2530. That is the weekly, and I'm telling you that this is the weekly time frame that is breaking out. So that's why that's going to be a huge potential going up. People are going to be buying it up. There's going to be a lot of people who hit a stop loss. It's just going to drive the market up and up and up. So in this case, I don't know where it's going to end. I think 2550 might be minimum. But let's say here, the bottom of the day is around Thursday. Let's see here. Yeah, the bottom of the day is around 25.13. So if the bottom of the day is 25.13, then stand to say that, let's say 25.10. This is 4,000 point. 4,000 point would be right here. I would say that it should go up at least couple thousand more. So maybe 25.63, maybe. It's just gonna keep going up. Yeah, don't sell. Don't ever sell. Trust me, you're not gonna win if you're selling. I'm going for buying all the way. I'm just don't see a good. I just can't see a buying opportunity where I only reach 200 points. I can see all the potential that I would gain 300 points. I just can't see where I would get the 200 point risk. Right here would be a nice selling right here. Because 2550 it already is a huge drop right here, but if it can just go up above 2550, then it's not a good sell anymore. It's not a good buy either. Buying good buy potential already left at 2532, and good buy potential again right here at 2522. So two good opportunity and we didn't get it. And right now, I know that's a huge drop right here. It's not huge enough, but it seems like there's gonna be a lot of drop coming in. All right. I'll wait right now, but it seems like that's gonna be drawdown, like pullbacks, because 2550, psychology level. I wouldn't bet $200 on it. Oh, come on. And it just dropped. Like I said, this is the psychology level going up, drop right now, and let's see if it can drop down huge enough that we can see the potential buy from here. Oh my god. I I feel like I can almost predict every single play and I cannot find a good scalping potential right now. Maybe I need to leave some more room, like maybe 300 points, so I have some room to breathe. Uh, Especially when it moves uh, like 1,000 point like this. 200 a little too stressful. 200 points is a little too stressful for me. I'll wait for the drop. Yeah, on the high side, good potential buy, good potential buy. And now we just have to wait for another good potential buy. Don't know. The third time doesn't work out so well. But we'll wait for the third potential buy, and if it is within the plan and everything looks good, then we'll do it. We might be going over a little bit. Like, I know we are live for 2 hours already, but we might stick around for another half an hour or so in order to get this buying potential that coming in into my wait, yeah, into my play right here. My next buying potential is going to be around like 25.35. Coming up at 25.35, I will be buying. I know there will be people who are selling right here though. Right here at 25.48. I'm pretty sure there will be people who are selling right here. 25.48. Let's see. It is a good selling rate here though. And you can have a stop loss at 25.50. Because that's this drop already, and I don't think it will go up to 25.50 again. Can I just place a sell right now? Oh, it's really hard to just stick to one strategy, especially when you know what's gonna happen. Anyway, it is at 9 o'clock, so I'm going to close the I'm going to close right here. Oh hey, yes, you're just joining in. I'm going to close my TikTok and If you guys want to see me, just go over to Red app. Okay. Have a good one. All right. Okay. Perfect. Now we are only on YouTube. Oh man, this is much better to only be on YouTube because I only have two. Um, Jesus Christ. I have only two phones right now, and I want to play a cell right here on one of the phone because I know this is a 2550. It's not gonna pass, so I'm willing to bet. There, I'm placing a cell on one of the on my other account that I can play because I have 3,000 on it. But this one, the winning streak, I still haven't. Winning streak, I am waiting for this right here. Winning streak, I am waiting for this right here because, oops, because it will be I will be sure to have a tight stop loss and a huge potential for targets. So, let's see. I want it to come down. If it's not coming down, it's gonna go up for like above 50 again, even more. And I'm fine with that because this is a huge potential play. Unlikely though, I think it's gonna come down now. Going up without pullbacks for 3,000, 4,000 points, really unlikely. But once it comes down, that's gonna be this little bounce right here at 32. If it go up, I'm buying more. But we'll see. Let's see. Let's see the drop. Right now the potential is like I'm not doing it. I'm not dropping. I'm not dropping. Oh god. It will. It will. It will. It's 2550. That's huge potential. Huge psychology level. And I think it's gonna sideways like this for another 5 minutes because it's gonna change to 9 o'clock. Oh way. It's gonna go up even more. Holy. Go on, go on. Let's see if it breaks 50. In another 5 minutes, it will change the time frame. Let's see if it can break 50 because that. Oh, wow. Holy. Really? Oh. Okay. There's C long coming in right here. That's saying it has the potential to go up even further. Alrighty then. I want to see it. I really want to see it. Let's see. Let's see if it can happen. Nope. Cancel. Yeah, that drop right there, that is that to me saying that it's not gonna happen. Or not. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Here's what I want to see. I want to see if it can break 2550, because if that happens, it's gonna go all the way up, like to that 2560, 2570, like all the way. It's gonna be like a huge breakout, and this is on a daily time frame as well, so could be a potential high profit breakout as well. And one more minute, one more minute, and this is a speed line right here. This is a speed line right here. Can it breaks? One more minute and see if it's gonna break right here. Boom, boom. Yep, it breaks. Still waiting for this potential, but um, I know that this is a break, and it is gonna come down all the way to 41, at least 41, and I would say that if it can come down, may not be able to break 40. Uh, might not be able to break 40. Huh. That's interesting. Cannot break 40. Really? Okay, no way. It's gonna go up. Right now it's about to break out. Because this is the second the third hour, and look at the potential right here. Looks like it's gonna go up some more. 45 is the bounce right here. It cannot go below 45. Wow. Right now it's just gonna keep going up. I thought that's gonna be pullback. It's not. So if it can break above 50, it's gonna go up all the way. This is a psychology level, and sometimes psychology, like this time, I don't think psychology level gonna work. I don't think there's enough selling pressure for it. Maybe. Yeah, yeah. No, that's this is a 2 1 2 3. So I think that will be another drive right here. 1 2, and possibly third drive right here. So should go up to like 60 from the look of things. So if it go up above 2550, I think it's gonna go up above 2560. All right, let's look at the minute charts. I think today we could see 2560 though. Although 25, like I said, the reason why it kind of sideways here on the 2550, because this is a huge psychological level, and um, it kind of bull and bears are fighting it out to see who reign. And I don't know if I want to be in the middle of this fight. Although whichever way it goes, it's gonna go huge. I think like the only reason I have for selling right now is that it is a psychological level. That's it. Which is not a very good reason, trust me. There are more reasons to actually buy than to sell right now. But I cannot get a good position on for a buy. That's the only problem, because like the huge downside move here is too risky for me to play a buy. That's why I'm not buying. And selling has a nice risk reward, but again, it is not recommended to go against the trend, which is really, really strong right now. So I was hoping for pullbacks, and the pullbacks can can't even come down to 24.40, and when the pullback can't even come down to 25.40, I don't see a lot of hope for the bears right now. I think the price is just gonna keep going up. The price is gonna keep going up, and I cannot find a good opportunity to buy. Jeez, this is insane. Yeah, it already this candle right here. That's the breaking out. That's the breakout. So we just have to wait for the confirmation of 2550. It will hit a lot of people's stop loss, and that's when it will trigger. Like it will jump really high right here, unless it's trigger a lot of sell limit as well. But I doubt that people will be selling limit that much on 25.50. I think that's more of a stop loss at 25.51, 52, something like that, than the target profit. Oh, maybe I was wrong. Didn't break. Didn't break. 25.50 did not break. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, 25.50 did not break. 25.50 did not break. So if it did not break, it could have the potential to come down. Right now, I'm betting on that it is gonna break 25.50. Right now, I'm betting on the break of 25.50 because it's not coming down unless that's a huge red candle right here. I wouldn't think it's coming down. But like I said, this I don't have like in order to play in the winning streak play, I would have to have a risk reward that works. And right now, I don't see any potential. We might have to wait for most of the trades here to cool down before we take on a trade for the winning streak. Right now, it's just the price is way too hot. Okay, it did not break. Here we go. Okay, so 25.50 cannot break, so it's coming down. I was I thought that it gonna go up. I thought it gonna break out, but it's not. And I think here we go. Let's see if there's a potential to come down right now. Don't tell me it's gonna sideways over here. I was hoping that it's gonna break one way or the other. Right now. Yeah, it looks to me like this candle right here tell me that if it can't go over 48, it has a huge potential downside right now. Just want to see if it can go over 48. If it cannot go over 48, it's going to come down because that's a resistance. Right here at 47. Yeah, 48 break. Not yet, not yet, not yet. 48 not breaking yet. Almost, almost. Break. Nope, not breaking. Okay. Right now, it's just like, I don't know what to do. I have no idea what to do. All right. We might be in for a short play coming down. Once it break right here at 44, it's gonna come down at least 400 points. Let's see. If it can break right here, it will come down at least 400 points. If it can break 44. Let's see, let's see, let's see. And this is interesting because it is the start of the new candle of 9 p.m. and look at this right here. That to me looks like it's gonna be, oh, it's dropped already. I was gonna say that to me looks like it can be a huge drop of changing of character right there. The risk is way too much. Damn. Ah, I saw a huge opportunity, but the risk is too much, and I cannot play it. So the only thing I can do is wait for it to come down to like 40 or 38 before I play a buy. Like right now, it's gonna drop to 40, and once it drops to 40, then we are going to see what the reaction is. Because it's change of character already, it's gonna come all the way now. Now. Or not. Let's see, let's see, let's see at 45. I doubt that it can go past 47. Like right here, I doubt that it can go past 47. But the if I were to play, this would be the play that I would play. This would be the play that I would play. But the rest, right here is not where I would play. So I'll wait. It already dropped to 42. So let's wait for the drop to down to at least 40 before I took a trade. I don't even know if 40 I will get a chance to take a trade or not. But this will be the cooling down hour at least, and I should be able to get some opportunity to take a trade. which I don't even know if I have if I'm gonna have good trades on. I'll wait for the 41 for the long position. So Gold Hunter has already met the condition. I just wait for the EF to now to come down right here. It should come down to at least 41 though. Don't tell me it's gonna jump up at 43. Come on. That's gonna be insane. Oof. Jump up at 43. Really? So I think it might be just sideways around here. So if there's another long at around 42, because this is where it break of structure, like it here it just dip to this demand zone right here, like it just dip to this demand zone right here, and it jump. So I don't think it will be going past it. So if there is a long signal at around 42, I would be playing a buy. Like I saw the potential right here already. So we almost guys. Thank you for waiting with me. We are almost at the point where we can take a position right now. Almost. We are almost there, guys. Bear with me. I know we've been waiting for a whole what is it, like a whole 3 hours? 2 hours, not 3 hours yet. So I know it's been struggling, but trust me, it's gonna be worth it when we had a good trade on. Oh, don't tell me it's gonna go up without me. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down first. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. It had this little dip right here and go up right away. Come on. Oh, no way. How high is this buying? Like, what's up with this bull? That's a huge. My God. All right. 45, 46. Is it going to drop? Is it going to drop? It's not dropping. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Drop it hard enough. Drop it hard enough that it come down to this 38 and leaving a bottoming tail. Then we're going to be in order. Jesus. Oh. Man, what a day. I'm not leaving without a potential buy right now. It has to drop it hard enough that I have a potential buy right here at 38. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Looks to me like there's only a potential upward here. Oh God. And like I said, I can see the potential that it could go up to 25.60 still, but this right here, this candle right here should be a cool off candle, and I don't know how far it will fall for the cool off candle. But if it only fall down to this 42, 41, damn. I would say that get ready for the next bull session to happen before next Thursday. I mean next Wednesday. You all know what next Wednesday is, right? It is going to be the rate cuts, and trust me, once there's a rate cut, everything's gonna it's gonna swing really fast. Like all the stocks, all the crypto, everything gonna swing really fast. Speaking of crypto, right now it's about to recover. Bitcoin is at 58,000. Ethereum at 2,300, and it looks like it's gonna be going up now. Do I even dare draw a speed line? Jeez. But if it breaks, all hell will break loose. I don't know if the this area will hold. That's a drop. Yes, again at 30, at 42 area. I mean 43 area. There's a drop again at 53 area. See if it can come down below that. Let's see if we can break 44. Here we go. Come on, drop 40. Let me see 40. Let me see 40. Wow. Yeah, that drip right there. I don't know. Anybody get it at 42? I didn't. I didn't. I didn't get it at 42. My hand is on the trigger for 42, and I just didn't get it. Kind of break the speed line. Don't know if it had a potential to actually broke below the support line. Man, Whew. The question is, should I buy right here? Oh, the moment I said should I buy right here, it jumped. Jesus. Oh, I'll wait for the drop to happen and become more sideways, and then I will pretty much be buying for 300 points. I'll wait for it to cool down hard enough so that I have that 200, 300 points risk reward ratio that I've been wanting. It's not dropping high enough. It should drop at least to like 38, 39. It's not dropping high enough for me to enter. I know that's demand zone right here, but like right here, it's evident enough. But um, yeah, it's just not falling to my plan. My plan is really simple. A break of structure, fall down to a nice support level where it has. If this right here would be right here, that would be perfect. Fall down right here, having a nice risk reward, especially if it has the nice round number as well. Oh man, that's just oh it I cannot tell you. It's just gonna be insanely good. But right now, not good. Not looking good both way. I cannot buy. Um, with the potential that it could go lower. So, hmm, like I can see the gold hunter right here though. I kind of doubt that it will come down lower than 40 today. I very, I doubt it very much that it's gonna go down lower than 40 today. But I'm not insane enough to play or sell. I mean, play a buy right here. All right. Yeah, gonna go up to 50 now. No. Okay. Can't break over 45. This is interesting right here, this point right here. see. It's going back to 47. And like I said, if it cannot break, then it's gonna go down. But if it can break, then it's gonna go up. And looks like it's gonna break. Never mind. Huh. I still see the potential that it's gonna go up to 60 right now. But for now, I don't know how far it will go. Like that, there's two potential buy right here. I feel like I've been missing on all the opportunities, so maybe I would say a no trade day today. I miss, like, I know that it's gonna go up, but I've been missing all the good trades so far. One over here, one over here, and pretty much both of this right here. So I don't think I'm in the right mindset to trade today. And anything I do right now gonna be more of trading out emotion that I've been missing out on most of these trades here. So now that I know, I am going to finish my. Oh wow 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 wow! What happened here? Oh, it's gonna break out. That's insane. Anybody got at 42 right here? That's 700 points. I Yeah, like I said, that's why I'm saying that there's still potential that it could go up to 60 still. Like this could be the third drive on a half hour time frame. I mean on 1 hour time frame. Yeah, you know what? Today I'm gonna be done for today. The reason is because I miss my chance to play a buy right here, play a buy right here, and two times that I have potential buy right here. I miss all that because I think I'm too afraid for me to trade in this winning streak challenge. So any potential buy I play after this might be an emotional play. So today it's gonna be a no trade days. Thank you guys for coming in and watch me. I had all the good opportunities and missing out on. So today I am going to be done for the day. Thank you, you guys, and hope you have a profitable day. Bye, guys.